Hey guys, this is Sam. Another year, another iPhone launch, and of course we're back again with an unboxing. Here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This one is in that blue. We also have a gold, another blue one here. This is their new compact box design. No headphones, no charging brick. So nice and small. This was my last year's phone, the 11 Pro Max. As you can tell, look already at the size on it here. So basically size of two iPhones. Anyways, you're not here to look at the box, you're here to see the actual device. So let's open this bad boy up and take a look at this beast. Oh, nice to have a little color on here, very nice. Well, we'll come to this bad boy in a minute here. Alright, so typical literature, missing a charging brick, which is whatever, I guess, but they're using the USB Type-C on here. Typical literature, SIM card injector tool. I can see this going away in a couple of years, Apple being Apple. There's one little sticker this year, whatever, that's cool. But let's take a look at this bad boy, the sexy new beast. Oh wow, this already feels really nice in the hands. Nice and grippy. This is the space blue, I believe they call it. Could be wrong on the name, but looks really nice. Really clean. Look at this shimmer on the bezels here. Really sexy. So we've got the button cutouts here. SIM card. Very clean otherwise. Of course, you got the bottom here. Let's take this off. Nothing is better than that sound. So let's just quickly turn on this bad boy and we'll wrap the unboxing video up from there. I would show you guys my iPhone 11 Pro Max in comparison, but I am using that to film it. So maybe when I'm not filming, I can make another video just to show you guys. But already I can feel this is a lot heavier than the 11 Pro Max. A bit harder to hold on the hands, but has a nice girth to it. So girthiness is really good. I'm just looking at that screen, you can already tell. It's definitely, you can see it being bigger. Other than that, standard specs, I'm really looking forward to using this camera again. But anyway, guys, this has just been a quick little unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye for now. Peace.